Welcome back, traders. This week was all about patience, patterns, and precision. In this weekly recap, I'll walk you through the exact trades I took, the patterns I trusted, the confirmations I waited for, and the profits I secured. Whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, go to learn something valuable. Trade 1. Triangle pattern plus 200 pips. This was the first trade of the week, based on a triangle pattern. I patiently waited 2 full days for the pattern to form. Once the structure was complete, a strong bullish breakout candle confirmed the move. That's when I entered by position, placing my stop loss below the trend line for safety. I set my targets from TP1 to TP5, and as soon as TP1 was hit, I booked partial profits and let the rest of the position run. The trade continued as expected and hit most of my targets. In total, I captured 200 pips from this setup. Key takeaways. Be patient and let the pattern form completely. Wait for a strong confirmation candle before entering. Always manage your trade by securing partial profits. Stick to your trade plan and use proper stop loss. Trade 2. Resistance zone breakout, 300 pips. This was my second trade of the week, based on a key resistance zone breakout. I marked the major resistance level and noticed that price was consolidating below it. After a period of sideways movement, price finally broke above the zone with strong bullish momentum. As soon as I saw that clean breakout, I entered by trade, placing my stop loss below the recent low for protection. I held the position with a target of 300 pips, and after a long but confident wait, price moved in my direction and TP was successfully hit. This single trade gave me a solid 300 pips. Key takeaways. Mark key resistance and support zones before entering trades. Look for consolidation and breakout confirmation. Set your stop loss based on recent price structure. Be patient. Big moves often follow clean breakouts. Trade 3. Triangle pattern breakdown, 150 pips. Now, moving on to the third trade. This one was also based on a triangle pattern. I carefully connected all the rejection points and support levels to outline the pattern clearly. I was specifically waiting for a bearish breakout with a strong momentum candle. As expected, the price broke the triangle to the downside with a clean bearish candle. I immediately entered a sell trade, placing my stop loss above the recent high for protection. The trade played out smoothly, moving in my direction and hitting all of my TP1, TP2, and TP3 levels. I secured a total of 150 pips from this move. Key takeaways. Always connect clear highs and lows to define triangle patterns. Wait for strong momentum candles to confirm the breakout. Place your stop loss above recent highs in bearish setups. Stick to your targets and manage the trade step by step. Before we jump into the final trade of the week, I want to let you know that I've posted an exclusive swing trade setup for the upcoming week, but it's available only for my channel members. You haven't joined yet, now's the time. By becoming a member, you'll get access to exclusive swing trade ideas, loyalty badges, early access to videos, and much more. Click the link in the description to join the membership now and don't miss this upcoming trade opportunity. Now let's move to the final trade of the week, and this one was a sniper entry. The setup was based on a support level breakdown. I identified a key support zone and noticed that price was about to break it. I waited patiently for confirmation, and once the candle closed below the support, I took my entry. I placed my stop loss just above the broken support zone, and the moment I entered, the market dropped like a waterfall. In fact, a single 5-minute candle gave me a quick 200 pips. I continued to trail the trade, locking in profits along the way, and managed to secure a total of 350 pips from this move. Thanks for watching this week's recap. I hope you learned something new from these trades. If anything wasn't clear, feel free to rewatch, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. If you want early access to swing trade ideas, loyalty badges, and exclusive content, Make sure to join my channel membership right now. The link is in the description. Let's make the next week even better. See you in the next video.